How to buy Apple gift card online. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, if you want to go ahead and buy your own Apple gift card, you can just navigate through the Apple website right here. You can go ahead and find this website by searching buy Apple gift cards on your browser, and right after that you will now be presented with the official Apple gift card store right here. Now the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and select how you like to send it. You can go ahead and send the gift card by email or mail. From here you can just go ahead and customize your gift card the way you want to. We have the geode, fog camo, lo-fi, convo, and melted. You can just go ahead and choose the amount. And right after that we then have the message customization. If you want to add personalized message, you can just go ahead and enter them right here. From there, you can just click on add to bag, confirm by entering your payment method, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.